Just 1 second, let me answer this one first. It's that right here. Let her tell once. There you go. The sheep this size, you just go up and grab a hold of it by the wool and try to pull it around and drag you all over the tent. The Australian method is the most widely used method here. As long as you can keep their feet off the floor while you're shearing, keep them in a fairly comfortable position, most of them won't fight. So I'll go ahead and shear this and then we'll see if you have any more questions. Okay, now if we were to stretch this out, the rest of this is pretty much all in one piece. Do the other line from Springfield, Massachusetts.